Most gardeners treat July as a month to maintain, not plant. For these 7 shrubs, that's exactly wrong. They're heat lovers, shrubs that establish fastest when the soil is already warm, and that hit their stride right now, in the middle of summer. Plant them in July, and they'll root into conditions they were built for. By late summer, they'll be the most colorful performers in your border.
Hey guys, quick heads up. If you see any plants or tools you like in this video, I've linked all my favorites on the screen and down below. Super easy to check out. All right, let's get into it.
Number 1. Panicle Hydrangea. When you hear hydrangea, you probably picture the fussy mop heads that flop in July heat. Panicle hydrangeas are the exact opposite, far tougher, more forgiving, and perfectly adapted to summer planting. They thrive in full sun to light shade and bloom on new growth, which means a July planting will still produce flowers this season. The large, conical flower heads open white in June and mature through shades of pink and chartreuse, lasting well into September. Popular varieties like Limelight, Pinky Winky, and Quickfire range from a few feet to over 6 feet tall. Full sun to light shade, consistent moisture. A July planting establishes through the warm weeks of summer and blooms in its first year.
Number 2. Rose of Sharon. Rose of Sharon is the old-fashioned favorite that many of us remember from grandmother's garden. It's also one of the most July-friendly shrubs you can plant. It blooms from midsummer into fall, producing large, tropical-looking flowers in shades of white, pink, purple, and blue, when most other shrubs have finished their show. Modern breeding programs have produced seedless varieties that won't self-sow aggressively. The flowers are prolific and long-lasting, and the plant is exceptionally heat-tolerant and drought-tolerant once established. Full sun, well-drained soil. A July planting may not give a big show this season, but the root system it builds in warm soil will power spectacular blooms starting next year and continuing for decades. Number 3. Butterfly bush. Butterfly bush is the definitive summer shrub. Fast-growing, fragrant, spectacular in flower, and extraordinary for wildlife. It's built for July conditions. Plant it now, and from July to frost, different cultivars produce pink, red, purple, white, and even yellow conical blossoms that butterflies find irresistible. Black Knight produces deep violet-purple flower spikes, while Nanho Blue and Pink Delight offer softer tones. The fragrance is exceptional, and the bloom season runs continuously without deadheating. Full sun, average to poor soil. It's considered a dieback shrub in colder regions. The branches die to the ground in winter, but the crown survives and sends up 3 to 6 foot new stems each spring. For a July planting that delivers immediate impact and attracts pollinators all season, butterfly bush is unmatched. Number 4. Bluebeard. Bluebeard, also called blue mist spirea, is a wonderful addition to any summer garden. This shrub is extremely heat and drought tolerant and thrives in full sun and less than desirable soil conditions. A July planting gives it exactly the warm conditions it wants for fast establishment. The soft blue, brush-like flowers appear from late summer to October, creating a hazy blue cloud above frosty green-gray foliage. It stays compact at about 3 feet by 3 feet, making it perfect for smaller gardens and perennial borders. Garden favorites include Dark Night, First Choice, and Longwood Blue. Full sun, well-drained soil. Prune back to about 6 inches from the ground each spring to encourage a flush of new growth and the best flower display. Number 5. Summersweet. Summersweet is one of the highest value native shrubs for summer pollinators. Its mid to late summer bloom fills a critical gap in the flower calendar when many spring blooming plants have finished. A July planting establishes quickly and rewards you with fragrant blooms in its first season. The flowers are highly fragrant, blooming in white or pink from mid to late summer. It's unique because it blooms even in shade and prefers moist soil, making it perfect for those tricky spots where other shrubs struggle. The suckering habit makes it a good candidate for naturalistic sites and woodland gardens. Full sun to shade, consistently moist soil. For a July planting that brings fragrance, pollinators, and late summer color, Summersweet delivers on every front. Number 6. Potentilla. Potentilla is one of the most forgiving shrubs available. It establishes readily in warm July soil, handles heat and drought without complaint, and blooms for an extraordinarily long season. The buttercup yellow flowers appear on low, mounded plants that average 2 to 3 feet in height. Beyond yellow, Potentillas come in a good range of colors, including white, pink, and red. Abbotswood is a vigorous white flowering form that blooms for 6 months of the year, while Red Robin retains its red color much better than most red varieties. Full sun to part shade, average to poor soil. Needs very little attention other than a light trim in spring. For a July planting that delivers months of color with almost zero maintenance, Potentilla is the workhorse of the summer garden. Number 7. Abelia. Abelia is the shrub that keeps on giving. This graceful, semi-evergreen shrub produces pink and white flowers continuously from July to September, creating a long season of color that few other shrubs can match. A July planting establishes quickly in warm soil and blooms in its first season. The small, glossy leaves provide year-round structure, and the flowers are produced on new growth, which means you don't have to worry about pruning at the wrong time. It grows to about 5 to 6 feet tall and wide, making it versatile for borders, foundation plantings, and containers. Full sun, well-drained soil. For a July planting that delivers continuous summer color and transitions gracefully into autumn, Abelia is the definition of low-maintenance elegance. Those are 7 shrubs to plant this week, not despite the fact that it's July, but because it's July. Warm soil, long days, and the entire late summer and fall bloom season still ahead. Each of these shrubs establishes fastest exactly now. A planting this weekend means color this summer, and a stronger, more established plant next year. Don't wait for a cooler month. This is it. Subscribe. New plant content every week. We'll see you in the next one.